So you're not a fan of your factory headlights on your 2019 Plus Chevy Silverado. Today, we're going to address that issue. Here we go. Alright guys, so today we address the headlights on our 2021 Silverado. They're alright. They're not the best. We did get rid of the halogen bulbs for some LEDs, but it's still not great. And I don't like the look. So today, we switch to projectors with the sequential turn signal light. And we'll be installing Hikari LEDs in them. So stay tuned. Here we go. Alright guys, so we are taking the top, kind of the, not the air dam, but the air director. I say director because this leads right down to your intake. It has 10 of these little clips in it. As you can see, the little clips are around the circumference of the area. Pop those off, and it comes right out. So, let's get that out. I also forgot to mention that you're going to need a Torx to take this guy off. Pop the screws, put them back in so you save them. Then, to get the rest of it off, you have some 10mm bolts. So you're going to take those 4 10mm bolts off, and then the entire front is just held on by clips, so we'll just pop them off. All right, here we go. All right, guys, got it off. The 4 10mm screws, like I said, that were on top. And then it's held on by clips. As you can see, the clips here. The bottom ones were in there pretty good. When it came out, it popped pretty good, and I thought I broke it. I don't think that I would attempt this in the winter time, when it was nice and cold. I'd be afraid that some of these parts would be super brittle. So keep that in mind. Came off, but a little hairy at the get-go. All right, we're gonna get the lights out. And to do that, we're actually gonna have to access back behind here, take a couple of screws off. Some guys remove this cover. I'm gonna leave it. In my past, this seam here has cracked paint on older Chevys, so I'm gonna try not to do that. Okay, all right. Quick update. Got the driver's side in. I did end up having to take this panel off. There are 2 pins that go into the headlight assembly itself. Be careful. This plastic piece that's held in here is very brittle. And let's get to the other side. All right, guys, headlights are all done. Very, very cool, very easy install. These, not so much. I had to order a part. There's a part in here that I broke. $7 from GM that I had to reorder. Other than that, shouldn't be too bad. They are seamless. You cannot tell any difference. Super high quality, super heavy. The light splash is really nice. I love the focus. They look great with the fogs. I'll do it again. If you're thinking about it, do it. You won't regret it. Well, the installation was super easy. It took me about an hour and 15 minutes. Got it all done. I did break a couple of parts. There's 2 clips on the fenders that the fender skirts clip into. They're $7 on tascaparts.com. I just went ahead and reordered those. They'll be here in about a week. There's nothing wrong with it. I just know they're broken, so of course I want to fix it. The headlight assemblies themselves are very, very high quality. The Hikari lights that I put in, the LED lights that I put in, are super awesome. I really like how bright they are. In fact, I am looking at becoming a dealer for them so that I can offer them to you guys, hopefully at a discounted price. I'm working on getting you guys some discount codes because I do know that you guys are trying to do the same thing, making our customs just a little bit more custom. So as usual, if you like the video, share it. If you like me, subscribe, and smash that bell so that every time I upload a new video, you're sure to get a notification. Until next time, I'm Matt. This is Monster Tech. Have a great weekend.